Outside. One other thing we're going to need today, Jamie, lots of hot chocolate.
Yes, absolutely. And probably try to limit your time outside today because it is going to be very cold with wind chills near zero at times. The accumulating snow, the big snow, has pulled away from the Miami Valley. We just have some light precipitation coming through right now, just the back edge of the storm system. Maybe another ½ inch in spots. Some isolated areas could even see upwards of an inch. You can see it on live Doppler 2 HD radar, northern counties, and then some of our western counties, with a little bit of an enhanced area here in northern Preble County, southern Darke County, and then possibly another area where we're seeing more moderate snow there in southern Mercer County. Yesterday we did have record snowfall, 5.9 inches, almost 6 inches of snow at the Dayton International Airport. The previous record 4.3 that was set back in 2003, so very snowy start to the week. And our winner so far in snow totals that we've received is Union with 7.3 inches, but I had a report from Amy up in Fort Loramie in Shelby County. They've actually had some 3-foot snow drifts, so definitely difficult to get around when you're dealing with that out on those roads. We had 5 inches in Kettering, lesser amounts down towards Centerville, 3.3. That's where we had a little more mixing of that sleet that really cut down on our totals in the southeastern counties. Here's a look at the road conditions in Springfield yesterday as the snow was coming down. They look pretty similar in a lot of spots this morning. Even though that they have been plowed, they're still snow covered and slick. So if you are heading out early, be aware it's going to take you a little bit longer to get where you're going. This is probably the worst travel we'll see all day. Going into the afternoon, snowy and slushy conditions, and really for the evening, very similar, but then we'll have to watch for refreeze going into the overnight hours as temperatures really drop. This morning it feels like below zero in Wilmington, 1 below. It feels like 1 degree in Richmond, 5 in Dayton and Bellefontaine, 6 in Springfield. Very cold start with that wind chill in the single digits, even just below zero. And that's something that we're going to stick with through late morning. In the afternoon, those values will come up into the single digits. It'll be around 6-7 degrees as we hit our high temperature this afternoon. Future track has lots of clouds in the area this morning. We still have some light snow around, and even going into the afternoon, the potential will be there for a flurry. That'll be the case at lunchtime and even later in the day at 5 o'clock. We could also be dealing with blowing and drifting snow because it is going to be a breezy day. So as the roads are plowed, then snow may just once again coat them. Heading into tomorrow morning, the winds will be lighter, but it's going to be very cold start Wednesday, and especially if the clouds break a little bit, temperatures may drop below zero in some cases. Tomorrow afternoon, clouds hang around, and actually we will see the next system roll in tomorrow night. The daylight hours of Wednesday look dry, but then here comes some snow building in for tomorrow night and continuing as we head into Thursday. We could see some light accumulation with that system as well. It's definitely one you'll want to stay tuned to the forecast for. We'll kind of fine tune it as we head through the next 24 hours. Today we're cloudy with some flurries, some drifting snow, a high of 18. Breezy, wind chill values will be in the single digits. Tonight will drop to 2 degrees and our single digit wind chill will drop below zero, even as the winds lighten up a bit. Tomorrow is not going to be as breezy, but it is still going to be cold. We'll have a high of 20. It looks mostly cloudy tomorrow night. Snow showers arrive. They'll stick around for Thursday, and cold conditions stick around right on through the start of the weekend. Saturday looks dry with a morning temperature of 3 and a high of 22. And finally, we look to warm above freezing Sunday and Monday. Highs will be in the mid to upper 30s, but we'll have the chance of a wintry mix. You can get the Storm Team 2 weather app in your app store.